pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me.
But you can see this is my haircut before. This shit is trash. I don't got no haircut. I'm trying to grow my hair out. You can see my hair is super curly and wavy. And I'm thinking about either getting some twists or just leaving it. Because my hairline, if I pull my hair back, you can see my hairline is bad. But that's why I grow my hair out. That's why I grow my hair out. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm doing it. And me and my son got different hair. Just got back. This is the after the haircut. Ain't too bad. Clean the beard up. He definitely the new barber. He was like a bald fade, you know, pretty much. Essentially. Got the top, like I told you. Try to keep the top. It don't look bad. You know, I can like hide my edge, my hairline and shit. What y'all think? Shit, should I go with something different? I don't know. I can show her how addicted to her phone. Look at this shit. That's terrible. Man, how long you gonna sit there? You didn't even see me. She didn't even see me in the garage. The girl's addicted to her phone, bro. That's a damn shame. My phone damn near died, waiting on you to get out.
Stop.
What you doing? Sometimes you just gotta come get some fresh air after, you know, just life in general. New vlogs, spiritual Eric. I'm always in the woods. So peaceful. Gotta start working out. I mean, I'm working out, but I gotta go harder. Beautiful. I wanna see a little video. No, just video. Oh look, okay, so it's on sale, so it messed up pretty 300. But the price is $69. Dude, I could get down on that. I could definitely take that to look down there. This one's one for Kobe, right? I mean for you. This is a 250. What do you think? You want a little dirt, right? It's a cool looking bike. That is the one. He's a sleepy little baby. Let him get his rest, man. Golly. We're over here editing, or we're about to edit. And this channel right here is pretty much the vlog channel. So hopefully you guys are kind of in with the new videos, because I'm a dad and I kind of want to just remember everything that's happening. And I've recorded multiple little videos over the last week, and I plan to continue. Hopefully I can show like motorcycles and a lot of day in the life. Yeah, we'll see. Is that it? Or did it jam?
I just stopped.
Oh, okay. You can dump that clip. Yeah. 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 Alright, I'm recording.
No, you gotta flip it upside down so you can rest your elbow on the top.
Can you get off?
Knock the cap off of it. You ready, Coach?
Yeah.
Zone safety. You're high. I always hit it. What? I always hit it on the second try, right, Kobe?
Where's it at?
What is that? 2 pounds, baby. And one more 2-pounder too. And we're gonna see if these boys can actually hit something, man. You won't believe it, they shot like 10 times. They shot like 10 times and didn't hit anything, so. We'll see. We'll see. Getting through here. Okay. That's definitely gonna move when y'all miss. Hopefully it only takes 2 shots. That should blow the whole top off, I think. Oh, there's rocks in there.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
I see 2 rocks. I think it's fine.
2 rocks that should go
I think it's fine.
somewhere else.
We're not shooting that far away at all. I'm gonna try to record this one. We ain't gonna record the next one.
We're gonna side in my 30-06 while we're here.
Okay.
You want to start off? You can start off. I'm just looking right.
I want you. Go ahead.
I'm just looking.
2 left and 2 down.
Too far down.
Oh yeah, I wasn't looking at that time. I wasn't looking, my bad. Alright, I'm looking now. I'm looking at the camera, I gotta look at the mound. Oh shit! Oh my god. Dude, look, it's raining. Yo! Damn, look at the hole it made. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, we'll let you hit the next one. Oh my god, dude. It was raining. Jesus. Yeah, I cut all my hair off pretty much. Guys, throughout this entire vlog, because this is kind of like a vlog channel, we're still gonna fish, we're still gonna hunt. Oh, speaking of hunting, definitely gonna be hunting. We're still gonna fish, hunt, everything, but except I only used to post fishing on here. Now I'm kind of just posting everything. I just got something new. Motorcycle helmet, baby. Gotta be safe than sorry. Now that I have the motorcycle helmet, I'll be able to put the GoPro somewhere, I think on here, and I'll be able to take you guys with me on my journeys that I'm still getting the feel for on the motorcycle. I like this. Can't see, no face. Certification, baby. I did indeed pass my motorcycle license class, but I can't get my motorcycle license, the M on my license, for a minute, because I guess everybody decided to go get a motorcycle license or something because they're booked.